$264. That's right, bitch.
It's not the gold, but that's all right.
This is it. Come on now.
You gotta do the mystery now.
Of course.
Oh, that's great.
You gotta do it.
Mystery! Come on.
6 by 5. Yes. 15. 15.
15.
All right, same thing.
All right, make it big. Come on, make
Come on, re-trigger at least once. Re-trigger at least
All right, here we go.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Great. I don't even know what I'm calling for. I don't know what's going on. It's fine.
Wow, that's a great win. Come on.
My breath is bad right now, I can tell you that.
Come on, let's go.
Re-trigger.
Make a big one.
We got you. We got nothing.
What the fuck is going on?
Make it big.
Retrigger.
Retrigger.
Nothing. All right, that's a great win.
That's good. You got
I mean, it was all in the 5 drums, but it's all right.
So it was all you.
Yeah, it's what I do.
It's what I do.
And we're up $20.
And Anthony's still ahead of us.
That's all right. Come on.
Do it!
All right, we got a regular
I
bonus.
got a bonus. Well, I got a bonus.
Good job.
Chat. I got a bonus.
I raised one bet up to 10.
No, I don't know you, but I
All right, Mark, you're not paying attention. Come on, 6 by 5. Oh, no. 15. All right, it's a little bit of a downgrade.
It's so funny because you don't know anybody, but you feel like you know everybody.
Re-trigger.
Free trigger. There we go. All right, we got 3.
So we got our 15.
No, not yet.
Shut up. Now we did.
No.
Oh, all right.
All right, 9.
It's subjective. I mean, look how we did on 3 by 6. Okay, here we go. Dragons.
Come on.
I drooled. Crying and drooling. This is good. Come on. Reach back.
Coins.
All right.
All right, 72.
That's a good one.
There you go.
My balls itch.
Okay. What is this? The coin bonus?
Yeah,
Like, could we get something besides coins here?
Yeah, dragons. Full screen
Yeah.
dragons.
Dragons. Oh, all right.
the
Well, I
coin.
would take the coins.
It is a coin bonus. Re-trigger.
Come on, retrigger.
Oh, look at that.
Where's the dogs? Coins. There's the dogs.
Jesus.
Last spin? Not the last
Yes.
spin.
Now we got our 15.
Yes, now we got the 15 that it owed us. With an extra to boot.
Boom, boom.
Dogs.
Dog.
I gotta stop it. I gotta.
That's all right, man. I don't subscribe.
This is not
to
the last spin?
superstitions, No.
Oh,
You sneaky bitch.
nah, I tried for us.
Oh, we're back up to, I don't know.
Like 5 a little bit. That's all right. We're good.
Fucking chill, man.
Hi, everybody. Whoever I missed. Sorry, I'm not paying. Come on. Yes. All right. Fine.
10.
Stop it.
Do you want to do the 3 by 15?
Okay. Come on, get it, Mark. 6 by 5. There we go. 15. It's gonna be 15. Okay.
Heart sucks. Re-trigger. Oh, boom,
Dogs.
boom, boom.
Dogs. Ugh.
Mark's rocking. He's having a breakdown.
If Mark's a rockin', don't come a knockin'.
That's
Coins,
because
coins,
The door
okay.
needs a lock-in. Why did I do that?
I don't know why you did that. Okay.
Come on, we are.
What's with this frozenness?
We are fucking so deep.
Come on. Damn it.
All right.
$18 again.
We lost the Romeros.
No.
The Romeros is sistering.
Are you done?
Come on.
Anthony, you show them how it's done.
Yes.
I was looking for a third one. I'm like, I don't know. They should give you extra.
Come on.
Go on. Dog. Dog.
Hey, how'd you like getting in that machine? I heard you got picked.
Yeah, I did. It was fun.
Yeah.
It was cool.
You did good.
That's
The
hard to get to get.
Oh, the hole was little where you have to stick the money in.
Oh,
So
yeah.
so I was making like balls of money, but the
Yeah.
hole was so small
Here we go.
to stick it in.
Oh, so you couldn't fit the money.
Yeah.
You
I
didn't
was-
grab any big bills like 100.
Yeah, I was having a hard time. That's not bad.
Yeah, my wife got picked for that one.
She did? Yeah. That was my first. That was my first time.
Yeah, Sandy did too. She got picked.
If I got into that machine, I'd probably drop dead.
Huh?
I'd probably drop dead if I got in that box.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah,
Don't like him close.
yeah, very small and
Joey, this is Phenomena.
Yes! I'm scared. I'm scared. Maybe we shouldn't do mystery.
Do you wanna do?
I don't know. I'm scared. I'm so scared.
Does anybody have a coin?
I'm so scared. All right.
What does the chat think?
And that says continue going mystery.
Think so?
10. All right, let's see. 10, 5. Do it. Fuck it, Mark. Fuck it. Come on, 8 by 5.
All
All right, we need more than 5 games. Yes!
Yeah. You're on the good graces again, Jeanette.
I don't know, I just think mystery.
Retrigger.
Come on, give us back all our fucking money, you rat bastard.
Jeanette, this is the big one. Here, watch all the dogs.
Come on, retrigger. Do green, 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 green. Yeah. Light up a cigarette, Mark.
I'm looking at this.
Fuck them.
Fuck Romero's wrecked everything.
Oh, that's nothing. Green, 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 green. You got-
Dog. Oh, I didn't even see the ship. All right, here we go. Dog.
No, you need to stop doing this and start giving 5 of a fucking kind.
Right? At least once.
Yes, we got a base!
Oh my god! I
88
can't.
cents.
I guess you're not getting that now.
Oh,
Your
my
first
God.
Handpay ever.
That's your first major ever?
Congratulations! I hate you so
I
much.
fucking
No,
hate
good
them
for you
so
guys.
bad.
That's awesome.
Let that count up.
I hate you.
Oh my god.
That came out of left field. They're walking
That's our
home.
shitty bonus.
They're walking
Oh,
home.
yep.
Oh my god.
Now you guys are gonna make a crowd come. Retrigger.
I said, oh,
Yes, good job,
That's
guys.
crazy cool.
88 cents, lucky bitch.
And I said, I saw the color and I thought I was mistaken.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
look.
Not close. What are we gonna
I'll take
get?
the major anyway.
Congratulations.
I saw the color and literally thought I made a mistake. I thought it was like, nah, it's not that color. And then I looked up again.
I wish it was bigger for you.
That's
I wish it was bigger.
amazing.
That's good. That's exciting.
all right, now it's gonna attract attention.
I know. What'd you do? Stop
I don't
that.
know, I'm
What'd
nervous.
you do? Last spin for us. What do we got going on here?
Coins.
216. I didn't even. Oh, it's just a bunch of
going
coins.
on? We got one more spin. Oh, we could have retriggered.
All right, that's good.
Spotswood said this is going to take about an hour and a half.
All right, kids. I think
You
that
complaining about winning
I think that
$1,600
it's
now.
the best way to end the live stream. They got a major. We finally got. We got the. We're only down 100. We had fun. All right, kids. Toodaloo.
Bye, everybody.
Thanks for joining us.
Welcome to Dancing Drunk
This one's still
Theater.
spinning. I can't.
Go to 400.
We're gonna give it all back. Just keep going. Okay, guys, just kidding. We're not ending it.
Oh my God.
They assisted your machine. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in joining my Patreon, click on the icon on the left. If you're new to my channel, click on the middle to subscribe. And if you're feeling frisky, click on one of the 2 videos on the right.